Excelsior, true believers. It is time for more Marvel Tsum Tsum Surprise Eggs. We have 5 eggs for you. Let's see where we start. It's the purple egg. And who's in the purple egg? We don't know, but we will know very soon. It's the Vision. The Synthezoid brought to life. One of the cooler characters in the Marvel Universe. He's got the coolest cape, that's for sure. Where are we going next? It's the dark blue egg. And who could be in the dark blue egg? Only time will tell for us. And that time is now. It's Spider-Woman, Jessica Drew. Look at the beautiful hair, the lovely red outfit, and all the powers of a spider. Where do we go next? Which egg could it be? It's the red egg. Inside the red egg is a pink and yellow plastic egg. And what could be inside that egg? It's Captain America, Steve Rogers, with his little shield on his back, and it looks like it's a mega-sized Tsum Tsum. We finally got one of our first big Tsum Tsums in one of these packs, and we are lucky because it's Captain America. Look at him there with his little A on his hat. And then next, the light green egg. Who could it be? Who could it be? It's Doctor Strange, also in a mega-sized Tsum Tsum. We are super lucky to get the big Tsum Tsums this time around. Doctor Strange with his beautiful gray sideburns and his tiny little mustache. The Sorcerer Supreme is part of our Tsum Tsum collection. And then lastly, the dark green egg. Who's in that egg? It's Iron Man. Tony Stark. Look at how cute he is with those little tiny blue eyes. Oh, it would have been great if that was a mega Tsum Tsum, but we will settle for a little regular size Tsum Tsum. So we'll see you next time.